We are actually at the last station of the process, what we call the shipping station. Okay. What we're doing right here at the shipping station is that every product that's been assembled is going directly in this area and be placed in staging before it loads up into the truck. By the space that we have in square foot, how things are happening is that we're only working on one job, and once everything is loaded or tell them that's ready, then it's getting loaded into the truck. First aspect that we want to do at this station is what we call creating the kits. Okay. So we have these loose items coming out from the CNC, toe kick fillers and everything, and then they get wrapped up right here at this working station. So what's happening is the operator is telling what goes inside of that kit and then prints out a kit label that will contain all the information of what has been wrapped together. Why do we do this? For two simple things. Is that we're simplifying the information for the installer. So when it arrives on field, they know exactly what's inside. But the second thing, it allows also the guy that loads up the things in the truck to know how much kit he needs to load into that truck. It does not forget something into the floor plan towards that. Other little thing that we want to do is that we create what we call the truckloads. What are truckloads? It's telling exactly what goes into that truck and getting loaded for the shipping area. Yes, we are working in one job that we're loading in a truck, but it does happen that there's service call that needs to be added into that truckload that goes inside. So we're allowing them to really tell the shipping what needs to be loading up. How it's going to work, pretty much easy. The operator just needs to scan a barcode part. So you don't have to have necessarily product label. You can work with your part label that's already, let's say, in your back, and you load it up. In this case, what's happening is I'm trying to load up a product that does not belong into that truckload. So the system flashes red and allow me to know that this product does not go into that truckload that goes in. If it was belonging to that truck, well, automatically it would have flashed green, and we'll change the status to say shipped. Also give you a timestamp of when it has been shipped toward that element. Last little thing that you can do is that you're able to print out what we call the shipping report in real time. So you're having all the information that can be printed out directly at the station or from the office, and that you can give to the delivery guy with all the information of what belongs to that truck. And if we have back orders or missing items into our truck, we can know exactly what's completed or not completed at that level.